Hey guys, welcome back to another great informed video. In today's video, we have some news with AT&T and a sneaky little update that came out, and it potentially revealed a Turbo Priority Data add-on. So of course, an add-on means you're gonna have to pay more for it. It's not gonna be included or free. So let's get into it and see what this entices. But yeah, it looks like priority data. So they want you to pay for priority data. Of course, if you guys don't know what priority data is, we'll look into this article. It will do a good job explaining it, and I'll give you my 2 cents about it. But it says AT&T appears to be working on a new add-on that lets users pay for better access to their network in times of congestion. Yeah, so basically, like I said, it'll go through this in a little bit. So it says AT&T doesn't charge users extra to access its fast 5G network, so you can access it. It's totally free if you want to access it. No problem. But it soon may charge more to let people get priority access to its network during busier times. In the an app update published in the iOS App Store on Monday, the company detailed a new add-on feature called Turbo. While the add-on did not appear accessible inside the update app, the description alongside the update says that you can add AT&T Turbo to a line on your account, which will provide uninterrupted network speeds during peak traffic times. In short, pay more for better access to AT&T's network when it's busy. Alright, sorry for the pause. I had to go open the door. But it says, for example, if you were at a packed venue like a sporting event or a concert, which a lot of people, trust me, I've had this issue before. Let me just tell you a quick story. When I had AT&T, I did go to Tennessee, and there was a big like amusement park slash restaurants, whatever thing it was, and I could not load a picture to save my life because my phone was just, even though I had full bar 5G ultra wideband, or just 5G, sorry, because AT&T doesn't have it yet or whatever in that area. It was really slow, wouldn't load. But you know, my wife, she had AT&T, and she had Verizon, and hers was loading way faster than mine. So that's one thing. Priority data is definitely worth it. If you can pay an extra $10, it's definitely worth it to get it. But it says, if you were in a packed venue like a sporting event or a concert where networks often have trouble since so many people are in one location at the same time, adding the service would give you your phone's data connection priority over other AT&T customers, and could allow you to use your phone normally while other AT&T users without the feature may struggle to use any data at all. Which it kind of is kind of dumb. For, you know, you're paying a monthly, and it's not cheap. AT&T and Verizon are not cheap, guys. You're already paying a premium. They want you to pay more to get access to faster data. I guess I kind of understand. It's kind of like Disney, you know, with fast, or amusement parks with fast passes. Yeah, you got your ticket to get in and, you know, wait in line, or you can pay extra and, you know, get fast priority data. So that's definitely it. Sorry guys, second distraction. So let's get back to the video. It says, so basically this is saying that adding this service would give your phone's data connection priority over other AT&T customers, and could allow you to use your phone normally while other AT&T users without the feature might struggle to use any data at all. Now that is true. I will tell you this, even in times of congestion, if you have priority data like I do, speeds, it does struggle sometimes. It will go very slow even if you're paying for priority data. Not saying this with AT&T, but I've used it with like other carriers like Verizon. I mean, even AT&T has some priority data, not all of it, but you can definitely tell if it's someone that's congested. It's congested. Like I said, back to the Disneyland thing. Even if you have a fast pass, and a lot of people have the fast pass, there's still a line. It's a shorter line, but there's still a line, right? So keep that in mind. It says, in a statement provided to CNN, an AT&T spokesman said that some inaccurate language was inadvertently pushed in the notes for our app update today. The company did not clarify on what was inaccurate with the language posted in the update. So it says, as the feature does not appear to be live, no pricing was given, and it was unclear how the add-on would comply with net neutrality rules, which is the idea that all traffic on the internet should be treated equally. The timing of the new Turbo feature announcement is interesting, as the CC may vote on new net neutrality rules as soon as next month. So maybe they got something that we don't know. But yeah. I'm guessing pricing is probably $10 to $15 extra, probably $10 maybe in the beginning, and then maybe 15 later in future. But that's my 2 cents. It says AT&T has had issues with net neutrality in the past. Back when it was when it owned HBO and DirecTV, it allowed those apps to be used without counting towards users' monthly data limits. Kind of like T-Mobile. This is where areas other apps like Netflix would. It kept the practice known as sponsored data or zero rating to continue with the launch of HBO Max in 2020. After California enacted its own net neutrality law in 2021, the company was forced to kill the sponsored data program and once again counted the data from those apps towards users' monthly limits. So overall, I think, like I said, if it's an extra $10, guys, my honest opinion is go ahead and get it. It's definitely worth it. I think, especially like I said. Now let me. If you guys are living, especially in a big city, you definitely want to get this. If you guys are, not in such a congested area, like let's say in the country, kind of like where I'm at, and you have a tower close to you, it's probably you don't even notice it. Remember, this only works when the network is busy or when times of congestion. That's what it's saying. So if it's not congested, you're really not going to notice any difference. Now, of course, I also notice it around peak time, around 5 o'clock, when everybody's getting off of work. For those lucky people that do get off at 5, you can definitely tell that the network slows down. Sometimes it doesn't even want to load, or it takes very, very long time for it to load. So just be worried about that yes, you do get priority data, but even in times of congestion, you will slow it down, even though you have priority data. So that's one of those things that you guys have to kind of, monitor and look at. But like I said, definitely if it's like $10, go ahead and pick it up. It'll be definitely worth it. If it's like $20, I'd be like, ooh, I don't know. But also, I want to know, because most plans, like AT&T does have different plans where, depending on you might have 3 tiers. You have this like the beginner entry data plan, which is of course cheaper, no priority data, no hotspot. Then you get the middle one. It might give you some priority data, streaming at 720, and then you go up to the more expensive where it's unlimited priority and 4K streaming or whatever it is. So there are tiers in plans. So maybe what this is going to be is you'll get priority data even if you have the cheapest plan. So you might be able to bump it down, and let's say it's only $5 or something like that, because then it wouldn't be that smart if it costs $10 and then next tier data costs $10. Might as well just pick the other plan that's more expensive. So if this is an add-on, and let's say you have a $60 plan, a $70 plan, it's $10. Maybe if they add it for $5 to get priority data, people would get it. Still save some money. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonicwarfare sign off. What do you guys think about this new Turbo priority data add-on? Of course, like I said, add-on means it'll cost you more money. So check out the description below. That way you can help with the channel and everything. So check it out, guys. Thank you.